Tech Education Mira Award goes to Nextech.
Nextech not only teaches computer science to students, they teach the teachers themselves. One of the largest reasons a school in Indiana doesn't offer computer science is because they don't have a qualified teacher. Well, Nextech fixed that. In 2019, Nextech facilitated 81 workshops, resulting in over 10,000 hours of training for over 1,100 K-12 teachers from 399 schools across Indiana. In total, 40,384 students were enrolled in classes taught by teachers Nextech trained. President Karen Jung will accept on behalf of Nextech.
Thank you and good evening. Thank you to TechPoint and Mike for this recognition. It truly is an honor. I'm happy to have some team members here with me as well, social distancing, but we're happy to be celebrating. If we could say thank you to anyone, it would be the 2,000 plus teachers from around the state that we've trained that have literally brought computer science to tens of thousands of students, as well as over nearly 100 students in Marion County alone that have gone through a year-long immersive program. They're truly a reflection of what we do, and without their efforts and without their hard work, we would not be here tonight, would not certainly be recognized for this category. So thank you.